A solution of class 10 higher mathematics under the syllabus of Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Chapter Geometry Progression solved and presented by Salam Nagasindra Singh, lecturer Susan Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Exercise 2.3 gi ahanba part amasung suba part release tokre aldi ahum suba part ne ahum suba part si question number 19 dagi loiba phawani solve togudrisi. Exercise 2.3 की लेमहोबा part aduni question number 19 dagi loiba phawa. Question number 19. The arithmetic mean between two numbers is 15 and their geometric mean is 9. Find the number. Number ani ki marakta leba arithmetic mean sina 15 ni makoi ki geometric mean 9 ni number shindu puthu. Let x and y be the two numbers. Then their arithmetic mean, that is x plus y by 2, is given as 15, from which x plus y equal to 30, which is equation 1. Also, their geometric mean is positive square root of product of x or y is given as 9. Squaring both sides, we get this equation 2. Sum of two numbers is 30 and their product is IT1. Now we have to establish this equation, that is x minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Remember this identity. Then put their respective value, that is x plus y 30, x into y is IT1. We have this number which is the square of 24. Therefore, equation 1 amasung 3 dagi adding toraga equal x amasung y solve togani adding toradi twice we get left try twice x pangani right the IT1 plus 24 is 30 plus 24 is 54. That gives x equal to 27. x ki phangai ba value is equation 3 natraga 1 2 3 ahum sigi manung amada sidilani ngai ga dabi nga ko equation 1 na sidile x ki value is 24 27 x to 27 sidiladi y equal to 3 phang. Therefore, the two numbers are 27 and 3. Their product is IT1 and their arithmetic mean is 27 plus 3 by 2 is 15. This is true. Question number 20. If A be the arithmetic mean between B and C, PQ be the geometric mean between them, so that PQ plus QQ equal to twice of ABC. A haibasina B amasung C gi marakta leba arithmetic mean ni PQ haibasina number anisigi marakta geometric mean chingni p so that p cube plus q cube equal to twice of ABC. We have A is given as arithmetic mean between B and C, therefore A equal to B plus C by 2. Also B, P, Q, C are in GP. GP using AN equal to A times of R to the power n minus 1 we get C is the fourth term. Therefore, C equal to first term here B and R comma ratio is R whose power is 4 minus 1. We get R cube equal to C by B. R is C by B whole to the power 1 by 3. Solving R from this equation, we have this. Therefore, P cube, P is what? P is equal to BRC cube. P is what? P is first term, that is B into R cube, B cube, B is this, and R is C by B whole power 1 by 3. And cube karagadi chilerani. Solving, we get B cube into C by B, that is B square C. Similarly, Q cube is BR square whole cube. R given to C by B whole to the power 2 by 3 and R square gidi. We get BC square. Therefore, PQ plus QQ की P की value, PQ की value thamani, QQ की value thamani, and की common factor B से log होखरनी, B plus CD का आगा मान होरे, B plus CD twice A का मान होरे, we get twice ABC तमने. इधर P की value BR ओरिबसी, P की value BR ओरिबसी, C की number सिंसी A पिजले बनी नमाग with first number into second number. B by P by B equal to Q by P equal to P by Q. Sidagi P की value C R का मान है लबदी और कोई किन्हीं मक्स R का मान है then P की value C B आने P की value C B आने Q का असुमना Q है बसिसु Q है बसिसु क्या का मान है गदी P R ni R di R di dia amana B R lere atau ni value si sinjilaga pa. Next question number 21. If A, B, C, B in GP, X, Y, be the arithmetic mean between A, B and B, C respectively, so that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 2 by B. A, B, C hariba number ahum si GP ga lere X amsung Y na X na A, B gi marakta leba arithmetic mean Y na B, C gi marakta leba arithmetic mean orabadi 1 by X plus 1 by Y gi value si 2 by B ga manai ulu haibane. Given the given hange B square is equal to A C ni A X amsung Y si kaya ga manare X A gi B gi marakta leba arithmetic mean orabadi X equal to A plus B by 2. Similarly Y equal to B plus C by 2. 1 by X plus 1 by Y di 1 by X की value kaya or X will see reciprocate ni that is 2Y A plus B 1 by Y की value see reciprocate ni 2 by B C and if you sum up so we get this sidagi aikona mo kari phange actual denominator si actual multiplication pangthoe pangthoba matungda B square di kaya ga mana hawi AC B square di AC ga mana hore mathak ki lengana thamani makha gi di AC to B square thame B square lengana lero B C lengana lero si factor ai makha de gi B common lokhoni adi makha gi factor ai factor atopa amadu di A plus twice B plus C ni masi mathak ka common factor ni yawrabani na kathanaradi we get 2 by B pang hence go for Roman number 2 X 1A by X plus C by Y di X amso Y ki mathak ta phangba value pisilaga si phangani then mathak ki tam khudima ki 2 common log to pro aduga sum up to si phange denominator di expand to then makha asidagi thona kana kam B square ki value di B square value di CA ni di makha da pisilaga di CA ani lare twice 60 mathak makha ki common factor sin kathana di 2 phange hence Roman number 2 is also proved. Prove that the product of n geometric means between A and B is product of AB whole to the power n by 2. A amasung B gi marakta laiba n geometric means singi product to AB whole to the power n by 2 oigani prove to. Let x1 x2 x and be n geometric means between A and B. Then these numbers are in GP. Using a n equal to a times of r to the power n minus 1, we get a n d kuna b pisilani. N ki formula the yaw n ki value the n plus 2 ni maram the a degine b power the n plus 2 times me. Degi r solved to see in terms of a and b, we get this. R value si jealousy adu the x1 x2 xn r x1 value the silerani x2 the value the square karni x n value the power n karani. Hari terms si second bracket opposition bar factor singa si the a single a since n times log with the a power n phange b by a power b by a power b by a power manable since the common power base common log to power sum up to running power sum up to the 1 by n plus 1 the denominator the common log to lm over the 1 plus 2 plus up to n sum of the past n and n number to formula pale n plus 1 by 2 ni pakthana robadi n plus 1 among n plus 1 n by 2 lare n by 2 adu sigi a na simong di yelobadi a power n by 2 na n di yelobadi a power n yelobadi a power n by 2 mo lare b gi di hana masagi power n by 2 mo lare adu di power mana di base ani di product to common log to ni we get a b power n by 2 hence proof. Question number 23. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the GPD. Pyramid GPSC के first 10 terms पुथो है बने. A first term is 1, common ratio is second term 2 divided by first term, we get 2. N number, how many terms are 10 terms? S10, we have to find out. Using S10 the formula seasonally A times of R to the power N minus 1 by R minus 1 the formula seasonally respective value single official R value 2 position 2 power 10 minus 1 D 2 power 10 the U1 hydrochloro 1024 3 power. For next, the first term A to 1 common ratio, the second term 1 by 3, the first term 1 we get 1 by 3. And the number of terms to be found out the I is I to focus. Using this formula, the common ratio 1 by 3 to 1 to put in a formula, the mathematics 1 minus R formula to season again. R value 1 by 3 pixel, simplified or we get this. We are simplified or the 3 to I 0 divided by 2 and I7 from last time. Question number 23. Find the sum of the first Roman number 3 12 terms of the GP. GPSC the 12 terms sum put to have any. A is I R is second term divided by first term, that is half N equal to 12. S 12 is what? Using 1 R 1 minus R formula simplify total. We get 4095 divided by 256 from it. For Roman number 4, 7 term of the GP. Here A is 1 and common ratio is second term minus 3 divided by first term, that is minus 3. N is 7, S7 is 1. R minus 1 formula we get this. S10 E S7 is this divided by this, from which we get 547 from sum. Question number 23, Roman number 5, 9 term of the GP. Here S90 first term to the A to the 1 letter 1 minus R to the mathematics minus after 1 yearly minus half from 9 A value 90 learning simplified total. We get 171 by 256 from it. Roman number 6, N term of the GP. Here S7 is first term is 1 minus R formula seasonally RD 1 second term divided by 1, that is 1 by 5. R value pire N value the demand N paharam N C S7 C N oigadabal. Simplify the C value si pangane. Roman number 7, N term of this GP. Among the Pokemon question for nature manai S N is equal to first term 3 plus 1 minus R D minus 6 that 3 nearly minus 2 the formula seasonary simplified or sum to sure. Question number 24, Roman number 1. How many terms of the GP must be taken so that their sum is equal to 32I0? GPRC ki term kaya age sum na 32I0 si oigadagi haibani. For the GPSC की first term is 1 3 में R second term the first term में yellow 3 फंगे SN is 32I0 ने how many terms are there है N what haibani. The sum to N terms for the formula policy formula से पालनी मरम दी R हाइबसी 3 ni 1 के चावे अदुम सी formula से पाल बस चुम चुमे. Using their respective logic R na mamang thambagi formula seasonary solution dadi formula dadi R na maning thambagi on seasonary. Whole chamana target 3 power N ga 3 power I ka mana ready 3 base mana ready N value I ore. GPSC का I term होगी सम पिरामिड number सी target तो कदा number of terms to I. How many terms of the GP must be taken so that their sum is equal to this? In the question nature chamane and the common ratio C 3 by 2 ni 1 like so mathematics di chap chap formula to seasonary. Then giving their respective values solved, we get which is equal to 3 by 2 whole power 5 base and see left I'm sorry to base manner power to compare to the N value 5 or number of terms to 5 or when you find the least value of N for which 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 power N greater than 100 1000. Yamdrabada N quite people value na makagi inequality system in the gay hangman. left side asi GP da lay adu GP ke sum to n plus 1 term n term put up formula da shi left the n plus 1 terms lay adu pale comma ratio 3 ni comma r no solve formula sisinar simplify taro c की 2 base from the cross to for a positive number inequality के both side of puriveda find sense of the sign of inequality remains unchanged hypothetic greater than adum lagani one je sundam thang 6 lere ka n da kaya pixel labadi karam khwai pi pa n da pixel labadi inequality shi chu mangade ai point n equal to 6 law ga mu ye ngani si phange adu si chu me adu di point 6 amlo 5 amlo gani from the city direct adum lawre that the least value of n is 6. 6 की n की that n value 6 lower the inequality similar like 5 lower the 3 and then 5 lower the 5 6 there that so kada ba 5 people n value 6 question number 26 find fifth term of a gp is 48 find fifth term of a gp is 48 and the 12th term is this find it must be C the oigadagani the fifth term of a GP is 48 and the 12th term is 6144 find the sum of the first 10 terms karigumba GP amagi mga so term value na 48 ni 12 term gi value na sig number ni find the first 10 term find the sum of the first 10 terms ni GP amagi di sum to kara di first term ama sum kamare so kangalore hari bo pot adu punna bagi nama condition manaba condition ni tira me for GP A5 is 40 A5 is 48 A12 is this number S10 is what S10 A5 is single manare A12 is single manare then anisi divide to the A mangre R solve to ngame R value 2 phange phamiba R value se ikumathak to lehori ba question anis nom ama da pixel laga A gi value putokane A gi value to 1 sinjima matamda A gi value 3 phang A ama so R phanga badi sum of the first 10 terms putone si gi formula gi signarane that she bracket half of the money value jumma ka 2 minus 1 di 1 in the denominator or numerator from thamani so mu evaluate torobadi 3069 phamani for question number 20 ka 7 in a GP the first term is 5 and the last term is 320 and the sum is this find the fourth term to 12 karigumba geometry progression amagi first term na 5 ni last term na 320 ni sum na 635 ni find the fourth term to 2 haibani adu di kuna sum to n terms to ko formula signal ni si formula signal si s n की value di 635 pirani R की value the A की value the 50 R value the 2 be found out in the similar C cross multiply to C cross multiply to the R की value solve to C R value solve to the 2 phange R की value khanga badi A की value putona badi the maksa di A the pyramid 5 A am so R khanga badi 4 term to phanga me therefore A4 the A R power n minus 1 formula pa laga 40 phange mari su term do 40 phange question number 28. The sum of the first 6 terms of a GP is 9 terms. The sum of the first 3 terms, if the 7 term be 3 I 4, find the sum of the first 10 terms. The sum of the first 6 terms of the GP is 9 times the sum. It must be times. The sum of the first 6 terms of the GP is 9. 9 times the sum of the first 3 terms. If the 7th term be 3 I 4, find the sum of the first 10 terms. Apiba value singasi symbol singasi pire S10 watt hangmani. Adu di S6 ki value di 9 times of S3 havani respective value pisilo adu AR 7 habadi a7 habadi ar power 6 ni value ani sizinaraga akon x mathak yauriba x power cube to x power cube to jadi r cube to x on putting toroga quadratic equation in x phange solve torani x value ni phange hujik x to origin r to loni pisilasi adu rabadi r value si 1 nataga 2 but r equal to 1 is in value r value 1 over the sana de maram de r 1 pixel over the mathak pixel samam to payati therefore r value 2 ore when r equal to 2 mathak ki sig equation se pixel si a value putona with the a value to pixel matam da 6 phange a amaso r phanga badi sum of the first 10 terms putokani general formula of similar is 10 is first term times of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 formula pale in simplify to already a standing value with 6138 from 29. The sum of the first 10 terms of a GP is 33 times the sum of the first 5 terms. Find the common ratio. GP amagi ahan the term ahan ba term taragi sum asi ahan the term mangagi sangi saru kutrang loiga manai. Find the common ratio. Dikiri ba nature manai. Then s tagi value pisilani s 5 की value su pisilani r minus 1 akan ani tiga mahangare numerator sin phange numerator da r की power 5 multiples oibanina r power 5 to x ko putting tore quadratic equation in x phange factorize torani utopia r value lokhalani r value solve to matam da 1 2 phange but r equal to 1 is invalid r value 1 obviously yadabanina hence r equal to ani manunga ama fit valid or the ama the invalid or the ama valid or 2 is the required common ratio so kataba common ratio 2 number 30 the first and the last terms of the GP are respectively 3 and 7 6 8 and the sum is this GP amagi ahoba sorry the terms in the value pyramid and mamakoi the sum of the pyramid find the number of terms and the common ratio sum number of terms put having s and put over short form season again s a n value the r 3 times so r to the power n minus 1 7 6 I command 3 ne divide to for r की power ani jo mana halani r n minus 1 do c n minus 1 do I command n equal to 9 also 3 times so r to the power 9 minus 1 the equation se de ko namo r solve to rani r solve to matam da 2 phang number of terms ka common ratio ko put number of terms 9 ho re common ratio 2 if s1 s2 s3 be the sums of the first n terms twice n terms thrice n terms respectively of a GP prove that number 1 s1 square plus s2 square equals to s1 times of s2 plus s3 S1, S2, S3 की respective values को formula से पाला S1 इसका माना रहे, S2 इसका माना रहे, S3 इसका माना रहे। Object left hand side की value पुटोक सी respective S1 में सो S2 की value सिंधु पी रहा। पी रहे जो का अज़ीम माखा अनिवार्य common और बनी ना common से लोग तो square का बनी ना denominator सिंधु square ला मापाने सोंग तो रखने। मनुंगा numerator देगी इताम खुद में तो ये square लोग तो रखने Lahori ba numerator sing square sing sum to expand toroga surplus from the hame. From the right side of the suputokani s1 value, s2 value, s3 value. Manung degi r minus 1 do denominator sum up to the denominator or madu mapanda putro the square karani. So no manung the matak to a common lokor mapanda levi a comprimary a square. Matak to lemho the tam sing do amok expand torani. Manung is sigapurani we have simplest from the sum of harmony right and isi manare therefore left and isi manare as part Roman number 1 put to Roman number 2 samana isi should s3 minus s2 की value hana put si mathak tagi a makha dagi r minus 1 kamal lo to manung the mathak makai khaidok na hore simuk simplest from the harmony 1 di takhe then si demo s1 pui the si left complete ki value put on s1 both side to pui ro right tadi s1 value pisin lo ani multiply to rani we have do over this in r minus 1 to 4 and cd a cd 9 and cd 9 is cd 11 a square ꯐꯪꯉꯅꯤ numerator ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯕ actual multiplication ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ then right side की value पिछली square कारने sum up तौरगी common factor मथक्तगी square यो वामरे सोंखरपरिने मनुंगी common factor दी square कारकने इस r minus 1 square कारकने ये अमुक expand तक याबरी येसु असिदिगी मनुंगदगी rn कमल लौथोखरगदी square वामु तो r to the power twice n लरनी rn minus 1 लेहोरनी right अनि से मानरे left अनि से मानरे hence proof